A very warm welcome to Ulwazi Nesindaba. Please don't forget to comment and like, and if it's your first time tuning in, kindly do subscribe. So now, labanye bethu, we are aware of lenkulumo yangizwe Mchunu. La khona he spoke ill of abantu laba gay, and we should also bear in mind ukuthi we are Africans and vele lisiko nelisiko linemthetho wawo and it should be respected. So why not raise awareness la khona we are taught about masiko, we are taught about imvunulo, nanguthi there is some sort of lack of information, lack of education within a society of some specification, rather than having to go to spread el gama lokuthi umuntu lo gay should be unalived, umuntu lo gay kufuneka ukuthi ahambe whether you are gay or lesbian. Masinga nje sikhumbule kahle ukuthi ngizwe Mchunu does have influence to a certain extent, and he is a public figure. So there are people out there that have really taken inkulumo yokuthi labantu they should be unalived because they are gay. So as we speak, it means ukuthi there are certain people lemhlawumbe sebasaba to continue with their daily routines ngoba naku phela sekuphume a word of mouth ukuthi cha let them be deleted. So now we should also bear in mind ukuthi kunema statistics la khona of people that have been unalived all because they are part of the LGBTQ community. And mhlawumbe into lesingesize siyibone kubabona kude on a daily basis, or into lokuthi angewicabanga no normal day kodwa akhona ama statistics lanjalo, and these are not just numbers kodwa there are people, bantu labatelwe nabo, bantu that have ingadi flowing in their veins.
Just to remind the people of some of the cases or tehlakalo letiyendeke KZN because of bantu labafana nabongizwe. Magama lakhishwa bongizwe ngemlomo anemiphumela lemibi, anemithelela lemibi emphakathini and kulimala the queer community. Bantu kuma comment sections nasenda ama video sikhalima ngizwe bathi siya exaggerate. Ngizwe uyatikhulumela kuphela and bona bayamsupport because abasafuni magay eNatal nase South Africa. Singenikhumbude ke ukuthi kuyendakaleni eNatal eminyakeni lendlulile. So number 1, sina Siphamandla Khoza. Bekana 34 years nakathathelwa impilo yakhe kwaMashu eKZN 2021. Sina Anele Pengu number 2, bekana 28 years old, naye nakathathelwa impilo yakhe ngo-2021 kwaMakhutha eKZN. Number 3, sina Sisanda Kumete, bekuyi-lesbian lena 28 years old, naye nakathathelwa impilo yakhe eKZN ngo-2021. Number 4, sabana Limakatso Puling, beka kuma-20s akhe, bekasesemncane, naye nakathathelwa impilo yakhe Avoca Hills eKZN Durban. And then number 5, sabana Sifiso Mxolisi Shange, naye bekamncane na 27 years nakathathelwa impilo yakhe. Sabana lesbian couple lengakakhona ukuthola amagama ayo, but nayo leyathathelwa impilo yayo eDurban eKZN. Number 7, sina Andile Lulu Ntuthela, bekana 41 years old, kwaNobuhle, naye nakathathelwa impilo yakhe eKZN. Number 8, sina Nonhlanhla Kunene, bekana 37 years, uyi-lesbian naye nakathathelwa impilo yakhe ePietermaritzburg, and I would like to assume that's KZN as well. Number 9, sina Andile Blessing Zondi, nakashatshwa ahlaselwa igroup yemadoda eKZN eNatal just because uphila impilo yakhe. So these are the only few I would like to mention for now. There's a whole lot of list nationwide, but iNatal ihamba phambili ngenzondo. So magama lafana nalawa ngizwe awakhipha angeke siwathathele phansi, angeke siwa-ignore just because sicabanga ukuthi uyadlala or sicabanga ukuthi uyende liphutha. Akakayendi liphutha because we know more often than not once someone akhuluma amagama laso kunebantu labathatha tinyathelo bese bayende lokhu lebacelwe ukuthi kuyendwe kona. Best believe minyaka lo angeke uphele 2026 sidabe sinibalela ama-case lavelile after magama ngizwe lawashilo. Sinibalela ama-case webantwana or bantu labadzala laba-identifier as queer or under the LGBTIQ community. Sitonibalela bona labathathelwe timpilo tabo noma labahlukunyetiwe because of magama lafana newangizwe. So if asithathi action nyalo simcolele ekucaleni, so uyaphinza futhi. If asithathi action nyalo and sibe firm in our action, ngizwa ngeke lahle, but lekutolahleka timpilo tebantu. Mafemelo ayosala akhala simayemaye because of bantu labadzala labafana nabo ngizwe labangana next le positive lebangayiletha emphakathini. We can protect our culture, we can protect our traditions, but ngendlela le right. You can have ma-awareness campaigns, ufundzise bantu ngemvelaphi yakho nemasiko akho nokuthi ahlonishwa njani without calling for people to be murdered or eliminating and discriminating against certain groups just because wena uthi uvikela lisiko lakini. If ilisiko lakini ligenda ube ngisidlani, then kusho lithi lelisiko loluvikelako alisilihle. If ilisiko lakini ligenda ukuthi ube ngisidlani, then alisilihle nalo lelisiko loluvikelako because lifuna ukuthi impilo tebantu tithathwe just ukuthi ulivikele. So lama case lengwafunze nyalo are just examples, are just a drop in an ocean. Because in 2021 alone, we had at least 20 cases that were reported nationwide where bantu lababulewe because of bantu labafana nabongizwe. And lawo ma-case are only reported cases. Kune ma-case lamanyenti langaka-reportwa because bantu bayasaba basabela timpilo tabo. So take this information and do what you want with it. But bengithi nginikhumbude ukuthi eNatal akuna tolerance. And ngitothi maZulu wonke because there's nothing that you are doing. And if you are doing, you are only doing it in the comment sections. Animeli malungelo ebantu emphakathini yangakini. Niyabinza, and it always baffles me bafati nabamelana nemadoda lafana nabongizwe, whereas nabo ma number one victims of men such as Ngizwe. And kusasa niyofuna thina simelane nani, nathi siyohlala eceleni siphuthe tandla. But ke thina besingamind ukuthatha amabheke siwapake sambe, as long as ningasikhomba ukuthi island lekho sesiye kiyo ngiphi or mhlaba lo nyuwane nesipha wona ukuthi ngimuphi. We are very creatives, we are very talented, we are intellect, we are smart, we are capable of living alone. But because we know we are social beings, we like to socialize and coexist with other people in peace. Ngenive sithi sibulele umuntu lo straight because usibuke kabi, because ugcoke njengathi, because uyenda emsebenzini lo yenda ngithi. But ke singawapaka amabheke nasingasiphi island, singathatha ama resources sambe nawo because ihlakaniphile and most of us can afford to live